Alrighty, welcome to week 7. I got my website, I think, a lot better than what it was. It stays with the color that I want it to be. So yeah, this is my week 7 portfolio, which would be most likely my final. I added more logos to the videos and stuff, well, to the website. I think I said photos. Yeah, photos to the website so you can see more of the logos that I have created. The Eddie Slime one was actually from a class that I did, and it was actually a lot of fun. We're online bullies. I had somebody reached out to me because they actually bred bullies, and they needed the logo to go with that, so I created that logo for them. And then the new one as well right here is Programs by Sophia. I have a wonderful friend, a trans woman, and she is absolutely amazing. She has actually helped me out with some things like this, and I created this logo for her programming business, and it was a wonderful thing to do. It's on her website and such. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I have a few other ones I wanted to add, but I wasn't able to get photos of them right away. I also did logos for a current flag football team, an adult flag football team, which was actually pretty cool. And there's actually banners around in my area for it. When it comes to the websites, I didn't add too much more to it, as like I haven't done that many websites, but I've definitely worked on a good amount. Like I said, it's not really my strong suit, but something I want to work on in the future to get better with. And then, like I said, go back down to the contact. Has my name, web designer, graphic designer, phone number, email, and then also the links to my Facebook and also Twitter so you can keep updated. So I hope you really appreciated this, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.